Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background on Tradingview. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in tradingview.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Tradingview website. Now from the homepage, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you have been logged in, you will end up within the market summary page from which you can view various different stocks. Now, if you wish to change the background that appears within your homepage, then you can tap on the account icon at the top right corner. When you tap on this, the only option that you see which can change this feature is the dark color theme toggle. When you turn this on, it will change the website and the background color into dark or black. You can enable this if you wish to use the trading view with a different outlook. If you don't wish to use dark mode, you can simply turn this toggle off and it will return back to the default light mode view. And while there are no other features for background change, these are the only two options that you have in terms of changing your background view on Tradingview website platform. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about changing the background within Tradingview. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.